Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to deposit HYPE token to the Kucoin Exchange. As you can see, I have HYPE on my Metamask wallet. This is on the HyperEVM Network. So let's go to Kucoin App. Click on the Assets section in the bottom right corner. Here click Deposit. Let's find HYPE on this list. I will use HyperEVM Network as I have shown you that my HYPE tokens are on this network. Now copy the address you see on your app. Go back to the MetaMask. If you are on the different network, remember to choose the HyperEVM from the list on top. Let's tap on HYPE token. Here we will go with the Send option. Now let's paste address from Kucoin App. And tap Next. Here, we need to put the amount we want to deposit to Kucoin Exchange. Remember to always double-check the minimal deposit amount required on the exchange. After you are ready, click Next. Here, tap Send. Give it a few seconds and transaction will be confirmed. Now you need to wait a couple of minutes to see your HYPE tokens on Kucoin. By the way, if you want to trade on Hyperliquid with discount on fees, check link in the description. So, that's the end of this video. Now, if you have found the content helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.